So Pinky's your name. What all's in here, man? This is crazy. Like, beautiful work. It's a monster, man.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Yes, sir. I got the 8. These are actually the old DB4s.
Okay.
First ones came out.
Yeah.
The SAs.
Yeah.
Man, they're 6 years old. I done beat them.
Beating them. All right. Awesome.
I did lose a sub today. I have replaced and
okay.
It looked like I lost a mid over there.
Yeah.
I was impressive.
Yeah.
And you know the whole cabin is steel.
Yeah. That way, have you ever had before you did the cabin work any kind of windshield blowouts or anything?
Oh yes, sir. About 5 or 6.
Really? Wow.
And I'm running on 3 390s and 1 270.
Okay.
For my mids and highs amps.
Do you know your cubic space on the box?
Not for sure. I can't remember.
Probably around 4.5 each.
Yes,
yeah, that's about what these like. Nice. And what is your tuning on it when you peak it? When you're demoing with the door open?
I got a 168 at 43 hertz.
43. Wow. Well, congrats, man. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Thank you.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Who built this?
Ivan did this, and
okay.
A little bit of Jose Estrada. He did all it.
Nice. Okay. Did a good job. Well, nice to meet you, Pinky. I appreciate you giving me a minute to talk to you. This is nice.
Thank you.
Good work. Impressive cabin work too, man.
Oh,
and I'm sure you trailer it, but it's drivable.
Yes, I can drive it,
yeah.
but not that
I wouldn't drive far, yeah. Well, you can actually climb in there if you need a skinny guy to get in there.
Yeah, exactly. Where they put lights and stuff back there for me.
Yeah, I see it. Yep. Wow. Nice. Yeah, good job.
And the show always get rain.
Yeah. Nice fab work on everything, man. How many speakers? 96 speakers in this. Wow. So are you able to turn down the speakers while you're playing bass to give more battery power ever? Do you ever do that?
Yes, and what we did, Jacob, we actually separated. I separated all my highs and mid amps. It's actually on this C-Max, the 45 amp.
Oh.
And what we did in the front, a partner of mine, Tim. When he did, he put this on it, so like now I actually have this running everything for the mids and highs. And when I want to charge up my regular battery, I just switch it to here. So it's separated.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Now we're running on the 16.5 volts and we're coming through the mids and highs.
Oh, that's not good. Yeah. It's hard to tune that too.
Yeah.
Nice. That's a good idea right there.
Yes, sir.
Nice. And this is, how thick is that? Wow. That's a thick glass, man. Man.
It already cracked.
Really?
But this door here, it was bolted like this.
Yeah.
I had to actually redo this whole door. The whole door. Yeah, it's really
That's some extreme work. They probably concreted it or something.
Yeah, that's still.
Are you able to open it ever?
Yeah,
and bolt it. Yeah. Wow, that is so smooth. How far back does the box go?
It goes about right here.
Right there.
Yeah. Now Jose Estrada did all this. Yeah. All the fiberglass.
Nice. Wow. I don't know. You're sitting there for 20 seconds. Have you ever sat in there, turned it all the way up just to see how it feels?
All the way up. I sit in there.
Yeah.
It feel like it's just want to get in.
So what is does it play into the 20s at all, or is it only 30, 40s?
I can do not that high. About 25.
25? Yeah. How much lithium?
This is 300, then I have the 45, and then I got a 90 amp.
90. And 420Ks. I think one of them you said we're having issues with?
Two of them had one in particular, but they okay now.
It's the heat, man. It's been brutal.
Yeah, they hot.
Yeah. So you've got 2 subs per amp. At 1 ohm or half? Or do you know? 0.8. Okay.
Hey, Doctor, he gonna do it to you, boy. He gonna do it to you.
All right, man. Yeah, nice to meet you again, man. Okay.
So like, you probably smell it, but I do what I can.
Don't give me too much.
Box.
out some speakers.
Okay, brother.
Yeah. That's probably more near your peak frequency than the other one. Yeah.